Hi, good evening. I'm Neshi. Today I brought you a video on how to make a flower tree out of A4 paper. It needs color A4 and glue. So let's see how to make. We need to make the tree part first. Then take a piece of green paper like this and fold it in half. Fold it in again like this. Now cut it like this. Then paste it like this and set it aside. We need two parts like this. Now we are going to make flowers. For that, we cut the other colored A4 paper into small 4-4-inch pieces and fold the pieces like this and cut the flowers like this. We need about 15 or 20 flowers of different colors. Here are the flowers that were cut that way. Now we need to take the green paper that we cut earlier and use scissors to curve this part a little like this. Now we take the cut paper to make the tree and roll it like this and paste it like this. attach the other part to it and paste. Now we done building the tree. Then we just made the flowers stick to the tree this way. So, here are the flowers plant I made. It can also be used for wall hanging vases. So, we meet again another day in a new video. If you want to watch more beautiful videos like this, keep subscribing to my channel. Also, put your comments in the comment box below. Don't forget to like and share. Thank you for staying with me. Love you.